In the heart of New Orleans, where the air is typically thick with the warmth of southern sun and the melodies of jazz, a rare and profound silence blanketed the city. On January 21st, 2025, the Crescent City awoke to an astonishing sight. Streets, rooftops, and the venerable ironwork balconies draped in a pristine layer of snow. This was no ordinary dusting. The city recorded an unprecedented 10 inches of snowfall, shattering the previous record of 2.7 inches set in 1963.
Jesus, look at us. Look at this. Little bite of cake.
Usually alive with the vibrant hues of Mardi Gras and the rhythm of street performers, stood serene under its white mantle. The French Quarter, the iconic St. Louis Cathedral, framed by Jackson Square, seemed transported to another realm. Its spires piercing a sky heavy with snowflakes. Residents, many witnessing such a spectacle for the first time, ventured out to craft snowmen where only days before beads had been tossed and laughter had echoed. Yet, beneath the wonder lay a city unaccustomed to winter's grip. The weight of the snow strained the limbs of ancient oaks. Streetcars, the lifeblood of New Orleans transit, stood immobilized, their tracks hidden beneath the alabaster cover. The harmonious blend of cultures that defines this city faced a new challenge, as the unfamiliar cold tested the resilience of its people. This snowfall was not just a meteorological anomaly, but a historic event, the likes of which had not been seen since the Great Freeze of 1895, when unconfirmed reports spoke of approximately 8.2 inches blanketing the city. The 2025 storm surpassed even those tales, etching a new chapter into the annals of New Orleans' storied past.
Hello, Alex. You're first.
Nar. What's that, Alex?
Alex Docious. It's got a great name. And I'll leave it at that.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any content that I'm releasing. And here's some videos YouTube thinks you might like.